Hi and welcome to a new video. Today I'm sharing 2 artist trading coins with a winter night scene. Today I'm working with my homemade resist spray. I will link you up in the info box to a few videos where I've used the spray already. And I'm working on watercolor paper. After the resist spray is dry, I wet the paper completely with water and I add the Brusho powders. I let the color flow to create kind of a pouring effect. When the paint is drying, you start to see where the sprinkles of the resist spray are. I use a wet baby wipe to wipe away the excess of the paint from the resist parts. I have die cut a winter border with houses and colored it in with the Arteza Real Brush Pens, and now I'm searching for the right backgrounds to put that on. I also used the circle die for my artist trading coins together with that border die to create the bottom for each coin. To create that puffy snow bottom on the bottom of each coin, I'm using the Colourcraft ExpandIt texture paste. I use a palette knife to apply the paste to my coins, and before I heat set it with my heat tool and make it expand, I use some Colourcraft glitter to make it look more like snow. I have die cut the houses from yellow cardstock too and used the yellow pieces to fill in the windows. I'm adding a little bit of thinned down white acrylic paint to my snow. Finally, I'm adding some white splatters for more snowflakes. Here are my finished artist training coins. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!